What's your name? You're sexy. Is that unprofessional of me? I don't know. I'm sorry, but like, I'm just like, damn.
Number 1. Former police officer DAngelo Rice's body camera footage revealed an alarming encounter with a woman he met while on patrol. The disturbing conversation took an inappropriate turn, and the woman later accused Rice of raping her.
What's your name?
My name?
I'm Eric. Okay.
I mean, I heard some noise that direction, but I didn't.
The incident occurred in Tulsa, Oklahoma, on April 17th of the previous year. Rice engaged in a concerning dialogue with the woman, using a false name and asking personal questions.
Okay. Oh, do you live around here?
Yeah, I stay at the motel.
Oh, which one?
The studio.
Oh, okay.
The conversation escalated, and Rice inquired about her whereabouts later that night. The situation grew more distressing when Rice questioned if she had a motel room.
I'm Eric.
Nice to meet you.
You're sexy. Is that unprofessional of me? I don't know. I'm sorry, but like,
I mean,
I'm just like, damn. You just chilling tonight?
I mean, probably.
Okay. If I'm wandering around, where should I wander?
Probably somewhere around the Studio Star.
At the Studio Star. Okay.
Most people call me Red.
Red? You got a room? Okay.
It's me and my dog Felony.
Oh, really? Okay.
Subsequently, the body camera footage ceased, but the victim disclosed that Rice contacted her later that night and questioned if she was a prostitute. Rice looked her up in the database to know more about her and discovers that she has a criminal record. He then used it to threaten her, saying, quote, "It wouldn't take much to put a person with your record back to prison." Fearing potential arrest and evidence planting, she reported that Rice allegedly raped her. The Special Victims Unit confronted Rice, who initially denied the allegations, asserting the woman was a homicide suspect. However, he later admitted to having consensual sex with her. Rice resigned from the Tulsa Police Department after 5 years of service on June 9th of that year. He was arrested the following day and charged with first-degree rape. Despite maintaining his innocence, Rice admitted to inappropriate conduct. His trial began in June of the subsequent year. His attorney's statement acknowledged the misconduct, while asserting his innocence. Rice is scheduled to appear in court again next month. Number 2.
Am I going to get arrested for this?
For what?
You are a nice white guy.
Please show me your dick.
An Ohio State trooper imprisoned for making advances toward women he pulled over for traffic stops used Craigslist to try to lure women while on the job. The body cam video shows Lee flirting with a female driver and passenger and joking inappropriately with the women.
And I'm just trying to get a nice white guy to take me home.
Take her home and handcuff her and just do it.
That was just that like orange carpet last week, so I would have saw you. You probably wouldn't have
a nice white guy.
You probably wouldn't have had to call your
You take
cousin.
me home, and I'm wearing a little dress. I'm dressed like a hooker.
We did go there.
What more do I have to do?
I don't know what you want me to do, but I'm just telling you that I do not want to get in trouble for you being looking like that.
During the investigation, the passenger told the FBI about Lee's manipulations. The FBI conducted its own investigation, saying, "If you're a professional and you're a cop, I feel like that's way out of line." Things started getting creepy when he asked the woman to step out of the car for a field sobriety test.
I can't get in trouble when someone's looking like that.
I don't know, I can't really see.
I'm not indecent.
Tell her to get those. We tell her to get out of the car, step out of the car.
I'll step out.
Tell her to
I'll
step out
put my
of
hand
the
in
car.
the
We'll play this game, watch.
Am I going to get arrested for this?
For what?
You are a nice white guy.
Please show me your dick.
Please tell me to get back in the car.
I'll get you out here in a second.
Oh my god, I am so sorry, officer.
I apologize.
We can play that one once I turn the camera off.
Hey, do you have one of those cameras in your car?
Yes, you just said you got turned off before you play that game, and you just jumped up to it off.
But I do have to get you out just to make sure you
That's
have
fine, you can go ahead and do it.
And then I'll come back up and we'll play that game.
Can I have my license though?
Yep, after I run it.
Oh, okay.
Make sure you're not wanted. I can do her.
What do you want me to do?
Just come on out. Stand out here in front of my car there for me.
That's fine. Hold my dress down, sorry.
Hold your dress down.
What do you want me to do?
Go ahead and stand right there in front of my car. I just want to check your eyes here.
That's fine.
Thanks for 1832. Check coming through.
Said you had nothing there.
No, I did drink a couple glasses of wine earlier at dinner. No, that was about 5:30 tonight, though.
Okay.
Yeah, it wasn't any time.
Go ahead and stand right there for me.
Okay.
What I want you to do is face me. Okay, go ahead and put your feet together. Arms down your side. Go ahead and pull your hair back out of your eyes. You're all right. So make sure I can see you. taking your eyesight all the way.
Records also indicate that Lee let the driver go once he determined she was not intoxicated, but he kept the passenger with him. He then took the passenger to a street near her house, and when the passenger asked Lee what he wanted, he said he wanted to take a picture with his hand on her chest. Lee later sent Facebook messages to the woman, including one that said he saw her at a local fair and described what she wore there.
You don't know.
1 second here.
It's a black car.
1 second here.
Brian D. Lee pleaded guilty last October to 4 counts of violating the civil rights of women and 1 felony count of cyberstalking for using Facebook to contact women he met during a traffic stop. In April, a federal judge sentenced Lee to 60 months in federal prison. Currently, Lee is now serving his sentence in prison. Number 3. In August 2016, Officer Daryl Stasher from the Jackson Police Department was terminated and gained negative attention after flirting with a civilian. While on patrol, Stasher made a poor decision by flirting with a suspect, costing him not only his job but also his good name. What's most shocking about the matter is that the suspect with whom Stasher attempted to flirt was a minor.
You must be suspended from school. What's your number?
238 221 238 34 28.
Man, I ain't scared to fuck with nobody. What you talking about?
Okay, well, why you act like you can't go to a room? Oh, shit, nobody gonna know what we doing in the room.
The 17-year-old recorded the chat while it was happening on her phone, which she then posted to Facebook. Within 24 hours of the video's publication, it had amassed more than 24,000 views. The footage shows the Stasher approaching the suspect and inviting her out for sex after she initially declines. After she denied, the 8-year police veteran questioned whether she was afraid of anyone. The young girl claimed that she was aware that everything was being videotaped on the suspect's phone, as Officer Stadler made one outrageous offer after another.
I don't know.
I'm gonna take care of you, so.
Well, you can take care of me, but I don't go to room.
Okay, well, where the hell you go? How you do grown folk shit then? What are you talking about you gonna go?
Okay, you act like I can't stay here and talk to you.
Oh, cool. I mean, I ain't coming to talk and shit. I wanna do more than talk.
I don't know what you mean.
Oh, so you saying you ain't fucking?
I don't fuck. I'm dead serious, I don't fuck. But I'm gonna call you, okay?
Vance finds this video to be very disturbing. He has a zero tolerance policy for any type of behavior that is obviously displayed on this video itself.
Jackson PD responded to the event as soon as the video became viral, calling Stasher an ineffective and careless cop who didn't respect his authority, and bringing up the fact that the subject was a kid. Jackson PD doesn't need a person with a bad reputation, according to Chief Vance. After the video went viral, Stasher was fired right away from his job. In less than 2 days, an 8-year veteran patrolman who agreed with the chief lost his job.
This is not a representation of Jackson Police Department, nor how officers are supposed to conduct themselves in the public venue.
It's fortunate that the suspect captured the interaction on her phone, raising the question of how many young people Daryl Stasher has previously blackmailed and exploited. Without a question, Stadler's acts were reprehensible, and he deserves his punishment. If you want to watch more police cam stories, subscribe and turn on notifications for more. Enjoy the next video.